Hi, my name is Elise Debonet, and I'm a customer success manager at Slack. I help our customers optimize their overall communication and collaboration strategy. And I'm here to share some of the ways that internal comms teams specifically can benefit from using Slack. You're probably already aware that the secret to great employee experience is great internal communication. Internal comms connects employees with your company's mission, fosters a positive work environment, and enhances overall productivity and efficiency. In fact, some of our most mature customers see an average of 6% in employee satisfaction and an average of 32 minutes saved per day by centralizing important information in Slack. And as a tool, Slack is also perfectly primed to publicly store your posts and announcements so that they're not lost in email inboxes or missed with distribution lists. There's many ways that internal comms teams can use Slack to drive strong collaboration, some of which include making Slack the go-to place for company-wide announcements, facilitating all-hands meetings, recognizing employees, and addressing heated topics. Let's learn a bit more.